Jamaica Watch
is
This.
dealing with a crisis of a magnitude that it hasn't faced before. It will require on hands, on the deck to rebuild the country, and we are ready to step in to engage with the development partners, with the international community, but more importantly, with the people of Jamaica and the government of Jamaica to rebuild the country, to make sure that the country is more resilient and that the country can withstand to this type of disasters in the future in a resilient way. We do have significant resources that we have already made available or to make available in terms of financial support, in terms of grants and technical assistance, in terms of also hands and support on the ground so that people of Jamaica can see the services restored, they can see that electricity is back, that water is back, that the roads are clean, that houses are being rebuilt, and the economic activity resumes. So we're here to work with the others, together with you, to make it happen.